Dạ.
Are you happy today? How are
Dạ.
you? Yes. Did you already eat?
Dạ.
Yes. Wow, that's very good to know. And are you ready? Are you ready for lesson for today?
Các em đã sẵn sàng cho bài học hôm nay chưa?
Are you ready?
Dạ.
Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So good job. So for our
For
lesson
our
for today, so we will have a reading and writing. So we will focus on your reading and writing for this lesson. So are you ready? Ready, ready?
Dạ.
Yes, okay. So let's go with this first activity that we have. So for this activity, you will answer if it's yes or no. So let's take a look at the first animal. Okay. So the duck is yellow. Yes or no?
Con vịt màu vàng. Con vịt màu vàng, đúng hay sai?
The duck is yellow.
Dạ.
Yes or no? Are you
Dạ.
sure?
Dạ.
100% sure? This is the duck. Look at
Dạ.
the duck.
Dạ. Dạ.
Yes, yes. Look at the duck first. This one. This is the duck. Okay, let's go with pink. This is the duck. What is the color of the duck? What color is the duck?
Nó có màu gì?
What color? Its color? What color?
Yellow.
Ah, is it yellow in this picture? This one? Is it yellow or brown?
Purple.
Yes, very
Yeah.
good. Good job. So the duck is brown. So it's not yellow. So what will be our answer? Yes or no? It's no. Okay, so the duck is brown. Okay, not yellow. So one more time. The duck is yellow. Answer yes or no? Is the duck yellow?
Oh.
No. Okay, very good. So no, the duck is not yellow. It is, okay, let's say it is brown.
Wow.
Okay, very good. So good job. So now let's take a look at the fish. Okay. So let me just zoom this one. So let's take a look at the fish. This one is the fish and two. Okay. Is the fish purple or color purple? Yes or no? Is the fish color purple? Yes or no?
Con cá có màu tím không?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, very good. So now let's say it is purple. Okay, so our answer is yes. So let's read. The fish, the fish is purple.
Purple.
Okay, very good. So now let's go to our next animal. So let's take a look at this animal. Ting. Okay, so take a look at this animal and two. Ting. What animal is this? What animal is it? It's a
Particle.
what is
Đây
that?
là con vật gì?
It's a
Đây là con chuột. Chuột. Chuột.
it's a mouse. Let's say it in English. Mouse.
Mouse.
Okay, very good. So now, so the mouse is color gray. Yes or no?
Con chuột có màu xám. Đúng hay sai?
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, okay, perfect. Very good. So yes, so the mouse is color, let's say the mouse is
Yes.
co-
Cung pink. One xin tạm
color
vừa cuối pink.
color pink. It's color gray. Let's say color gray.
Có green.
Okay, gray. Gray. Okay, so next, let's take a look at our next animal. So this one. So the goat. Okay, let's take a look at this animal and two. So the goat is color orange. The goat is color orange. Yes or no?
No.
Cam. Đúng hay sai?
Okay, very good. Good job. It's not color orange. What colors the goat? What colors the goat?
Con dê này màu gì?
Màu tím của Wasakita Batika Kusita tu.
What color? Say it in English. Teacher cannot understand. What
Here.
color? It's color brown.
Yellow.
Is this color yellow? Is this yellow? No. It's
Wow.
brown. Wow, very good. Good job. Now let's say it in sentence. It is it is brown. It is brown. Let's say it is brown.
It's brown.
Okay, very good. So good job. So next animal would be this one, the bird. Okay, let's take a look at this bird and two. The bird is color red and what is the color of the bird? Let me check.
Red and
Okay, so this one. What animal is this and two? What animal?
yes,
It's
it's a
what animal
Đây
is
là con vật
this?
gì?
It's a
blue.
blue. Yes, very good. The color is blue. But what animal?
Đây là con vật gì?
It's a bird.
Um,
Bird.
p p
It's
p p
it's
p
okay. Wow, very good. Now,
p.
now teacher has a question for you, Ansu. The bird is color red and green. Yes or
Con
no?
chim có màu đỏ và xanh lá cây. Đúng hay sai?
Yes or no?
No.
No. Very good. It's no. What colors the bird? What do you think is the color of the
Con
bird?
chim này màu gì?
Color
Blue. Pink.
very good. It's color
Very
blue
good.
and pink. Okay, one more time. Let's say it in a sentence. It's color.
Very good.
Okay, let's say it's color blue and pink.
Blue.
Let's say.
Pink.
Okay, very good. Blue and pink. Okay, next. How about this animal? So let's take a look at this animal. Ching. Okay, and two. What animal is this? This one. What animal is this? What animal is this?
Đây là con vật gì?
It's a
King Kong.
king kong. It's a, what do we call this animal? It's a cow.
Eat a cow.
Okay, very good. So now let's take a look at the cow. The cow is color black and white. Yes or no?
Con bò có màu đen trắng. Đúng hay sai?
Black
Yes.
and white? Yes, wow,
Yes.
very good. So now, yes, it is. Let's say, yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Okay, very good. So good job in this activity and two. So we have answered all of the animals that we have here, and especially their color. So good job. So very good. So next, let's go with our next activity. So now, uh,
Aww.
okay, so now let's go with this
Aww.
animal. This one. Let's take a look at the animal. And two, what animal is this?
Đây là con vật gì?
What
That's
animal?
Pasika could 들어가.
What animal is this? It's a
Monkey. Wow, gì cậu bự kì.
is it a monkey? Are you sure? Monkeys can fly. So
Oh
this
no!
animal
Oh
is
no!
no. Very good. What animal? It's a
Okay,
it's
so what's
a
the kilo?
it's a bird. Let's say it's a bird.
It's a bird.
Very good. So good job. Add two. What colors the bird? What color is the
Con
bird?
chim này màu gì?
Màu
What color? The
màu đen
bird.
chọc mà.
What color? The bird is
The
color
bird color
blue.
blue.
Okay, very good. So good job. Add two. So next, let's have this animal. What animal is this? What
Đây là
animal?
con vật gì?
What is the name of this animal?
Con
We
chica
can see it.
chica.
Speak in English. Speak in English, teacher. Can understand.
Hãy nói bằng tiếng Anh. Giáo viên không hiểu.
Okay, so what animal is this, Antu?
Oh no!
It's a. Oh no.
Oh no, no,
Okay,
no.
let's say it's a fish.
Wait,
Okay, one more time. It's a fish.
it's a set.
Okay, very good. So now, let's go to the color of the fish. So teacher will color the fish. Now, look at the fish. Look at the fish and two. What is the color of the fish? What color?
Hãy nhìn con cá ăn tử. Nó có màu gì?
What color?
Pickle.
What color is the fish? Its
Pickle.
color. What color is this? Color
Color.
is
Color is
color or orange.
color is orange.
Okay, wow, very good. So good job. So next, let's go to the next animal. What animal is this? What animal? What animal? It's meow,
Đây là con
meow,
vật gì?
meow, meow. What animal is that?
Meow, meow, meow,
Very good. What is the name of that animal?
meow, 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 meow. Cat.
Very good. Wow. So let's say it's a
Meow,
cat.
meow, 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 meow.
Yum,
Cat.
yum, yum. Very good. Do you like cats? Yes or no?
Bạn có thích mèo không?
Do you like cats?
Yes.
Yes. Wow, that's good to know. Now, look at the cat. What is the color of the cat? Ting. What color is the cat?
Tinkle.
Is it pink? This one? Ting.
Tinkle. Tinkle.
Pink. What colors the cat?
Con mèo này màu gì?
Its color or the cat is color black. Okay, let's see. The cat is color what? The cat is color black.
It comes of cat.
Okay, one more time. Let's say the cat is color black.
Color black.
Okay, very good. How about our next animal? This one. What animal is this? It's arf, arf,
Meow.
meow. It's a cat. How about the next animal? What
Đây
animal
là
is
con vật
this?
gì?
This one.
Yes.
Ching. Oh, let's go back. This one. What animal is this?
Dog.
Very good. So let's say it's a dog. It's a dog.
Dog. Dog. Dog.
Okay, very good. Let's say it in a
Dog.
sentence.
Dog.
It's
Dog. Dog. Dog.
dog, dog.
Dog. Dog. Dog.
Let's say
Dog. 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 Dog.
okay.
Dog. Dog.
Let's say
Dog.
it's
Dog.
a dog. It's a dog. It's
Eat
a dog.
a dog. Eat a
Okay,
dog. Eat a
very
dog.
good.
Eat
Okay.
a dog. Eat a dog.
Okay, good job. So now, look at the dog. What
Eat
color?
a dog. Eat
Yes, it's a
a
dog.
dog.
What
Eat
color?
a dog. Eat a dog.
It's a dog.
Eat
What
a dog. Eat
what
the
color is
dog.
the dog?
Eat the
Shh.
dog.
What
Eat,
color
eat,
is the
eat
dog?
a dog. Eat a dog.
Con chó
Eat
này màu gì?
màu
What
cam
color is
thì
the dog? What color?
monkey.
A monkey. What color is the dog? Its color.
Coffee.
The dog is
Uh,
brown.
wow.
Okay, let's say the dog is color brown.
Oh no, Sika, biết chủ bao, ít tờ con, xích quá tờ qua.
Okay, let's say the sentence. The
Dog,
dog
dog,
is color brown. The dog is
dog,
color
eat
brown.
a dog, eat the dog, eat the dog,
Con chó
eat the
này
dog.
màu Con chó này màu gì? Con chó này màu gì?
What color is the dog? The dog is brown. The dog is brown. Let's see. The dog.
What? Chị có bước chỉ thủ Miss chị quán kỳ bắt barking. What is the body young ding?
Okay, let's say, what is the color of the dog? The dog is...
Được rồi, giả sử con chó có màu gì?
The dog is brown.
No.
No. Okay. So
No.
next. Okay, so now listen to teacher. Listen now to teacher. So let's read this one. Let's say plural. 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 Okay, very good. So now, let's have this animal. What animal is this? What animal?
Đây là con vật gì?
It's a rabbit.
It's a rabbit. Rabbit.
Okay, very good.
Rabbit.
Good job.
Rabbit.
How-
Dit.
Okay, now, how many rabbit can you see?
Bạn nhìn thấy được bao nhiêu con thỏ?
How many rabbit?
Three.
This one, in this circle.
Three. 1, 2, 3. Three.
In the circle, not that one. In the
Trong vòng
circle.
tròn.
How many? Only?
1.
Okay, very good. So now let's say 1 rabbit.
1 rabbit.
Okay, very good. Next, you said earlier 3 rabbits. 3. How many? How many rabbits is in the circle?
Three.
Very good. Let's say 3 rabbits. 3 rabbits.
Three.
Rabbits. Say rabbits. Rabbits. 3 rabbits.
Three rabbits.
Okay, very good. So this is our plural. So when we say,
Plural.
okay, so when we say plural, we have 2 or more things. Like in the example, we have 3 rabbits. So to make the words plural, so we add S at the end of the word. Okay, for example, like this one. So listen first.
Khi nói số nhiều, chúng ta có 2 hoặc nhiều vật. Ví dụ như, chúng ta có 3 con thỏ. Vì vậy, để tạo thành số nhiều, chúng ta thêm S vào cuối từ.
Okay, so that this one is 1 rabbit. No S, without S. Next is we have...
Oh
Yes.
no.
So, oh no. Oh no. So next we have 3 rabbits. So we will add letter S because we have 3. But if we only have 1, we will not add any S. Okay? So for example, this one. This one, Antu, look at teacher. What is this? This is a... What is this? It's a flower.
Flower.
Okay, very good. So if we have 2 flower, so we will add letter S. So the flower will be flowers.
Flower.
Okay, very good. So if we have only 1 flower, we will use flower. But if we have 2 flowers, we will add S.
Flower.
Okay,
Wow.
very good. Okay, so next, let's go to our examples here. So let's read this one. One dog.
Dog. Dog.
One.
Dog.
Let's say one dog.
Dog.
One. Yes, one dog. Let's say one dog.
One dog.
Okay, very good. But if we have plural, so the dog will be dogs.
Ducks.
Okay, so we will have letter S. So next example, one door.
One dog.
Next is if we have two or more doors, so we will add S. It will be doors. Doors.
Dog.
Okay, let's say door, door, doors.
Cái này con lách mang không cho em không?
Let's say door, doors.
Dog. Dog.
Okay, next, let's say one pencil.
Pen. Pencil.
So if we have two, it will become two pencils.
Green pencil.
Two pencils. Let's say two pencils. Two. Okay, one pencil, two pencils.
You pencil.
Okay, so very good. So remember add two, so we will add letter S to make it plural if if there are two or more things. Okay, one example again. One lamp. One
One.
lamp.
One.
Lamp.
Lamp.
Very good. If we have two, so it will be two lamps.
Two lamp.
Okay, with S, let's say lamps. Lamps.
Lamp.
Lamps.
Lamp.
Lamps.
Lamp.
Okay, with letter S, lamps.
Lamp.
Add letter S. Lamp. Lamps.
Lamp. Lamp. Lamp.
Lamps. Lamps.
Lamp.
Okay, good job. So we will practice that in the next one. Okay, so next we have here how many pair? We have one pair. Look at the fruit. This is a pear.
Wood.
Okay, let's say pear. Let's say pear. Pear. One pear.
One car.
Okay, very good. Next, how many pairs we have here? How many pairs? Look at the picture. How many pair can you see?
Bạn nhìn thấy được bao nhiêu quả lê?
How many pairs?
Three.
There are
Three.
three. Very good. So we will add letter S. So it will be three pairs. Three pairs. Okay, let's say three pairs. Okay. So now okay, so now Antu, so I can see that we do not have much time, so we will just continue this class on next Wednesday, okay? So please practice studying plural forms for you to be able to understand it more clearly, okay, Antu? So thank you so much for your time today, Antu, and see you again soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
So goodbye. Let me see your brother now. Oh,
Bye bye. Bye
bye
bye.
bye. Goodbye.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, good evening, Dangkwa. Good evening. Good evening, and it's nice to see you again, Dangkwa. How are you today?
I'm happy.
You're happy? Wow. Did you already eat your dinner? Did you
Yeah.
already eat? Yes, wow, that's very good to know. And are you ready to continue our lesson for today?
So, love
Are you
that.
ready?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, okay. So thank you very much. So for our lesson, so as we can see, so it is still all about, so our lesson is all about, what is our lesson all about, Dangkwa?
The
It's,
drop. The drop is.
okay, very good. It's all about the story, Drop It. So if you still remember, what is the name of this dog, Dangkwa?
Goose.
Very good. It's Goose. Good job. So the name of the dog is
Goose.
Goose. So okay, so now let's continue our story here. Let me just okay, this one. So now let's have this next
Oh.
question. Okay, let me just forward. Think. Okay, so since we already answered this question last time, so let's go to this question. So can you read this question, Dangkwa?
The frog.
Okay, read the question first. Where did where
Yes.
did okay, let's read.
To has from is the how
Okay, so the hat is from where?
from where
From grand from
how how
grandmother's
grandmother's
hat.
house.
Okay, wow, very good. So good job. So the hat is from grandmother's house because as you can see, Goose is in grandmother's house. So Goose took this hat from grandmother's clothes that is hanging from the rack. So for this one, as we can see this one, so we call this rack.
Mm,
Can you
yeah.
say? Okay,
Mm,
very good. So rack. Yes. So when we say rack, it is where we hang our clothes or hats.
house.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Very good. So now, can you tell teacher Dangwa what is the color of the hat that Goose is holding? What color is the hat?
Has is color is yellow and red.
Ah, this yellow and red. This one. Is it yellow?
Red, yellow and red.
Ah, is it yellow?
No,
Are
no,
you sure?
no, no.
what
It's
what color?
it's blue.
Blue. Okay, blue and what is the color of the flowers in the
Blue,
hat?
blue and white.
Very good. Good job. So the hat is color blue and white. So very good. So good job. So next, let's move on to this part. So can you read this one?
Lock the door. Goose.
Okay, very good. So one more time, let's read this one. Let's say doll.
Dog.
Okay, perfect. So now, let's have this question. So where is Goose in this picture?
Goose đâu rồi?
Where is
Goose.
Goose?
Goose is the kitchen.
Okay, very good. Wow. Okay, so Goose is in the kitchen. And why do you know that it is the kitchen? Why do you know?
Sao bạn biết đó là nhà bếp?
Is
Because
because is
because or first, what are the things that you can see in the kitchen?
Bạn có thể nhìn thấy những gì trong nhà bếp?
Look at the place where is Goose. What can you see? What can you see? There are
no. There
there
are
are because there are we call this one as there
big
are plates.
blade.
Okay. Sink.
Sing.
Okay, very good. And a pen.
A bat.
Okay, so this one, so these are the things that we usually see at the kitchen. So we have plates, we have sink. So it is where we wash our dishes or plates. So there is also a pan, whereas we use it to cook. Okay, so that's why very good. This is the kitchen because there are plates, sink, and a pan. So now, let's can you answer again this question? But answer it in a complete sentence or read this sentence. So so now, Dangwa, where is Goose and why do you know?
The goose
Read this.
goes into kitchen because there are plates, sing and a pan.
Okay, very good. So good job. So Goose is in the kitchen. So now, let's take a look at the thing that is Goose holding. What is Goose holding?
Goose holding the door.
Okay, very good. Goose is holding a doll. So
Okay.
now, okay. So now, for the next question, what color is the doll?
Is purple,
The
purple,
doll.
purple,
Okay, answer in correct complete sentence. The doll is
color purple,
okay, very good. So the doll is color
purple.
purple. Good job. Perfect. So yes, color purple. So now let's have this next question. So who will get angry when Goose takes the
Ai
doll?
sẽ tức giận khi Gus lấy con búp bê?
The
Who
grandmother,
will get?
grandma,
Okay, very good. So grandmother will.
grandmother
Okay,
will always
okay, let's say one more time this word. Let's read this word. Let's say angry.
angry.
Okay, very good. So now can you read the sentence once again? The grandmother.
The grandmother angry.
This one, read the sentence. Grandmother will.
Grandmother will get angry when Goose takes her doll.
Okay, very good. So yes, very good. So grandmother will get angry when Goose takes the doll because it is possible that this doll is or belongs to grandmother. So very good. So good job. So next one. Okay. So can you read this one?
Of the cat, Goose.
Okay, very good. So now, so look at the cat, Dangwa. Is the cat happy? Yes or no?
No,
Is the cat
that
happy?
cat is
Oh,
angry. No, the cat
very good.
is not happy. It's dog.
It's
Mm,
angry. It's angry. Why do you think the cat is angry? Why is the
mm,
cat
Tại sao
dog,
con mèo lại tức giận?
dogs is
because
dogs is cat
because
because
goose
dog
is
goose is cat holding the cat.
okay, very good. So good job. So now let's answer again this question. So you will just read the whole sentence. So now, Tangwa, is the cat happy and why?
Cat is not happy. It's angry because goose is holding the cat.
Okay, very good. So yes, so the cat is not happy. So very good. So next, let's answer the next question. So what do you think the cat will do? What do you think the cat will do?
Bạn nghĩ con mèo sẽ làm gì?
Uh, come, uh,
The cat,
cat cat is got a head.
the cat might, what
The cat
the cat,
my my holding the dog.
the cat might hold
Holding
the dog.
holding the dog.
Oh, the cat might hold the dog. Or what do you think will the cat do? Since the cat is angry, what do you think the cat will do to Goose? So will the cat fight Goose? Yes or no?
Vì con mèo đang tức giận, bạn nghĩ nó sẽ làm gì với Gus? Con mèo có đánh nhau với Gus không?
Yes, I know.
Yeah. No,
Uh,
he will not
no,
fight the goose.
no, because it's cat is small.
Oh, because the cat is small, yes. So very good. So nice idea. So the cat might not fight goose because it is small. And goose might eat the cat. So yes, so very good. So good job for this or answering this question. So next. Okay, so can you read this one?
Mm, drop
Drop.
to paper goose.
Okay, very good. So now let's take a look at the picture, Dangwa. And where is Goose? Where do you think is
Gus
Goose?
đâu rồi?
Goose is
Is Goose inside or outside the house?
the goose inside not the home.
Oh, so Goose is not in the house. Or we can call
Not
it, so Goose is outside the house. So very good. So Goose is not in the house. He is outside the house. And why? Why do you think that Goose is outside the house? What can you see? Or what are the things that you can see outside the house? Okay,
Tại
this one.
sao bạn nghĩ Gus lại ở ngoài nhà? Bạn có thể nhìn thấy gì hoặc những thứ gì bạn có thể nhìn thấy bên ngoài nhà?
Is
What?
paper.
Yes, paper. How about this one? What are these? Ching, what are these? These I can see.
Can
What are
see
these?
green.
Green? What do you call that? Green?
Green. Gray.
Gr green
Gray.
grass? Okay, we learned it last in our last lesson. So it is. So these are grass.
Grass.
Green. Yes. So these are green grass. So goose is outside because as we can see, there are grass. So we cannot see grasses inside the house. So probably in this picture, goose is outside because we can see green grass. Okay. So next, what is goose holding?
A holding goose holding paper.
Okay, very good. So Goose is holding a paper. So next. So can you read this one?
A goose dog. Goose.
Okay, very good. So now, why grandma or why grandmother call Goose a good dog looking at the picture?
Vì sao bà
A
ngoại lại gọi Gus là một chú chó ngoan?
Why Goose
goose
is a good dog?
goose is holding paper is grandmother.
Yes, grandmother is holding a paper. But why is Goose a good dog? Why does grandmother call Goose a good dog?
Tại sao Gus
Uh,
lại là một chú chó ngoan? Tại sao bà lại gọi Gus là một chú chó ngoan?
dogs is holding the paper at grandmother.
Oh, great. How about in this picture? Is Goose holding a paper? Yes or no?
Yes.
No. Is Goose holding a paper?
And
No. Yes. Uh, what is Goose doing? What is Goose doing in this picture? Is he
is he
standing or sitting?
he eating
Very good. So because Goose is sitting
city.
nicely. Okay, very good. Good job. So now teacher has another question. Uh, Tangwa, do you think Goose is a good or bad dog? Is Goose a good or bad dog?
Bạn nghĩ Gus là một con chó ngoan hay chó hư?
Good dog.
Good dog. Why? Why he is a good dog?
The good is good. Dogs
Why?
because
Because
goose is had has a had grandmother.
oh, Goose has grandmother. Okay, very good. And do you think a goose? Do you think Goose loves grandmother? Yes or no?
Bạn nghĩ Gus
Yes.
có yêu bà ngoại không?
Okay, so yes, very good. So yes, so Goose loves grandmother. So now, can you read this one? This one, Goose.
Goose the loves goose is a good dog because goose had grandmother. Goose loves grandmother.
Okay, very good. So good job. So Goose loves grandmother. That is why he is a good dog to grandmother. So very good. So good job for sharing your ideas in this story, Dakwa. So okay, so we had finished the story about Goose. Drop it. Okay, so now let us review some of the pictures or some of the words that we had learned last time. Let's go with this one. What is this?
Do,
It's a,
do,
it's a,
do.
okay. One more time. Let's read it in the whole sentence.
Is a
It's
do,
a,
do.
very good. Next, how about the next picture?
Is a burger.
It's a burger, very good. Next, how about this?
Is
It's
a
a,
is a kiss.
very good. So, how many keys do we have in the picture? How many keys?
A key.
We only have how
One.
many?
One key.
One. Very good. So one key. So we will not use letter S because we only have one key. So it's a key. How about this one? Do you still remember what is this? Is this a shoe?
It is two.
Is this a shoe? Are you sure?
I know.
No, it's a
Drop. A slipper.
okay, very good. So it's a slipper. How about this? What is happening in this picture?
Is a drop.
Very good. It's drop. Perfect. How about these? What are these?
Is a paper.
Okay, very good. So they are papers. So look at the picture, Dakwa. Do we only have one paper or many papers?
Uh,
One paper or many papers?
many paper.
Okay, very good. So instead of using it's a paper, so we will use they are. They are
Paper.
papers. Okay. Okay, very good. Because we have many papers. So we will add letter S. Okay, so good job. Good job in this review. So I can see that you still remember the words that we had learned last time. Okay. So next. So let's answer some of the or let's complete the sentence that we have here based on what is on the picture of video. Let's read this
I
one.
I have a very funny pay on a slipper.
Okay. So do we only have one sleeper in the picture or two sleepers?
To slipper.
Okay. Shall we add S or without S?
Uh, S.
Okay, very good. So we will use sleepers instead of slipper. So now let's read this word again, Adakwa, this one. Let's say pair.
Here.
Okay, very good. So that is pair of slippers. Next. This one. Let's read and answer and or complete the sentence.
We use a key to pen a lock.
Okay, very good. So this is a key, only one key. So let's read this one again. Let's say use.
Use.
Use. Very good. Next is open.
Open to open.
Okay, very good. So good job. So next sentence.
I like to eat a burger.
Very good. I like to eat a burger. How about you, Dankwa? Do you like a burger? Do you like to
Yes.
eat burger? Okay,
To
very good.
I
So
like to
you can answer.
I like to eat burger but McDonald's.
Oh, huh?
McDonald's.
Burger what? But
I like to eat burger McDonald's.
what is that? Can you spell?
Burger McDonald.
What is that? How do you spell that one? Burger? Is that a Vietnam word?
Yes.
Oh, what?
Uh, is
It- Okay, it's okay. It's okay. So very good. So you like to eat burger. So good job. How about this one? Next sentence. Ching.
use
What is the missing word?
I use pen to write on thank you
To write
on on a paper.
what very good. Good job. So we use pen to write on paper. So very good. So this is a paper. So paper is where we write things. Okay. So next, this one. Okay. So what is the missing word?
He dropped a banana peel
Mm.
peel peel and then fall stone.
Okay, very
Falls down.
good. So let falls down. Let's say falls down.
Fall down.
Okay, perfect. So for this one, the word is drop. He dropped a banana peel and then falls down. So very good. So good job. Okay, so next. Okay, so let's answer this question, Dangwa, based on the story we have about Goose, which is titled Drop It. So now let's have this first question. Does Goose likes to bite so many things? Yes or
Gus
no?
có thích cắn nhiều thứ như vậy không?
No.
No?
No.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yeah.
How about the
Yes.
story?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Good job. So in the story earlier, so as we can see, so Goose bite many things. What are the things that he bite? First one
By
is
first one is
what is this? Sleep.
sleep.
Okay, very good. Sleeper. Next, what is the next one that he bite?
Drop to key juice.
Uh, what does he bite? He bite the
He
key.
buy key.
Very good. Next, what does he bite in this picture? He bite
He buy the burger. Is burger.
burger. Very good. Next, how about in this picture? What does he bite? It's
I
a
ask
hat. Very good. It's a hat. How about in the next one? What does he bite?
you
Doll. One more time. Let's say doll.
know
Perfect. Very good. Next, how about this? What does he bite?
ask
Cat. And the last one is, what does he bite? It's a
is the paper.
Okay, very good. So good job. So the answer to this question is yes. So yes, he likes to bite so many things. So these are the things that he bite. Okay. So next, let's go to the next question. So now, how do you describe Goose? Is he naughty? Is he a naughty dog?
Bạn miêu tả Gus như thế nào? Cậu ấy có nghịch ngợm không?
Goose is
Goose is how do you
goose
describe?
is a goose is a um,
Is he a playful dog?
goose
Playful.
is a good. Goose
Goose
is a good.
is?
Goose.
Good dog. Wow, very good. So Goose is a good dog. So is he naughty? Is Goose naughty? So when we say naughty, it is describe someone who is disobedient or misbehave. Okay,
Từ
this one.
nghịch ngợm chủ yếu dùng để miêu tả người nào đó không vâng lời, tinh nghịch hoặc có những hành vi không đúng mực ở mức độ nhỏ.
Is Goose naughty? Yes or no?
Yes. No.
Yeah. Yes, it's yes. Yes, he is
Yes, he's
naughty
naughty
because he holds
because
a
he's
lot.
lost out.
Things. Okay, very good. So based on the story, so Goose is naughty because he is holding a lot of things. Okay, so good job. Wow, good job for this lesson, Dangwa. So I think it is our time, or it is the end of our lesson. So we will just continue this lesson next Wednesday. Okay. Okay, so good job for completing the story and also for remembering the words that we had learned last time. So very good. So thank you very much for your time today, Dangwa, and I hope to see you again soon. So goodbye. Thank
Goodbye.
you. You can now rest. Good night.
Goodbye, teacher. See you again.
Bye.